Hey guys, you have to excuse my mess. I gotta clean this stuff up, but show you what I got going on today. Thought that some of it's pretty neat. I'm kind of proud of how one part of this has turned out. But this is the motor for a seat, electric seat, and it works the back side. And what's gone wrong with it is this has plastic gear on there that's stripped out, and so I'm gonna replace it with this brass one. Well, with that plastic gear, you have these knurls up here to hold the plastic gear, and it's built up about the same height as these spiral threads here. So what I do to get this like I want it, I need a friction fit with it here. Well, that was my goal. And so we go with a caliper here. And we're looking up about right there. So that's, we want to get close to about 10 thousandths for a friction fit on here. Even though that's brass, you got a little leeway. Since it's soft, you don't have to worry about galling as bad. But I chucked it up here in my lathe and I put the little automatic button on it and got it going. I took a grinder wheel, got most of the meat off, and got it down pretty close. Then I just followed up with a flapper wheel, and I think I got pretty close here. Let's see how close we got. This part right here was just a smooth, no gnarls, and so that's where we were at on that. And get up here to the top part where I was grinding. Oh yeah, we're at 14 thousandths, 17, 16. So that's close enough. So now I'm going to have a pretty good friction fit. Well, here I'll press that on, and then I'll drill it and put a pin in it just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, and then I'll reinstall it. Goes like that, and that's the easy part. Anyway, I thought that was pretty neat. Thought maybe some of you might like it. All three of you. Bye.